And I have cut and pasted a couple more things into the model. I've got some more trees, and that I just copied and pasted the row of trees that I had made earlier. I also copied and pasted some playground equipment into the model. There's a couple options in the folder on Canvas, or you could find your own playground equipment, either using this tool right here, which will bring you to 3D Warehouse, or you can go to 3D Warehouse online. So now we're ready to develop these park spaces, and this is a component, so you can see that as I'm clicking on this, this one's also changing. And so these are just a shape that I made into a group by right-clicking and hitting Make Group, and then I hit Make Component. So these two spaces are going to develop together. So I'm going to open this group. I want a couple more paths in here, so I'm going to just make a couple of shapes. I'm also planning to add a gazebo in here. Oh, I don't like that first line. So I want to go say like right there and right there. And I'm gonna add this gazebo. First I want to measure this. How big is it? It is 12 feet across, roughly. So I know that I want to have like a little sidewalk around it, and I want these guys to be sidewalks. I'm gonna use the offset tool just like I did. Oh, but before I do that, I want this circle in the middle, and it's 12 feet. So let's say the radius is like 15 feet. That'll give you a 3-foot sidewalk all the way around. Might actually want that. No, I think that's a little bit smaller than that. Let's go. Um, let's do 7 feet, and I'll show you why in just a second. So I'm gonna use the offset tool. I want my sidewalks to be, I don't know, like 8 feet. So the distance is about 4 right now. I think I'm okay with that. So I'm just gonna double click. I'm just using my offset tool here. So now I've got this path system, and I'm gonna erase the extra lines that I don't need. And I kind of like I'm gonna make it brick just like the other one. So I'm gonna use my bucket tool. And I want I want it to be the exact same brick. So I'm gonna use this colors in model option. And whether or not you're working on a Mac or a PC, that option will be in the drop down. So on a PC, I think it comes up in a Windows, or pardon me, in your Windows over here. Mine just happens to come up on this side. So maybe I don't have it in here. All right, so I'll just grab this one. And I think it was this. So then I've got brick in there. Make that texture a little bit bigger, and I want it to be, I think I want it to be angled. Okay. So now I have that, and I'm going to copy this guy and just put it right in the model here. And you'll see that it's in this one too. So as I'm changing this one's updating as well. And now I'm ready to add some plants. I'm gonna move this out of the way. And I'm gonna pause, and we'll come back and add a few plants.